Resynthesis Automata, a speculative city where the hierarchy of the machines are amplified. Imperatives for spatial organizations are now time, technical requirements, and redundancy. For a very long time, a city has been built around the needs of humans. Traditional transportation systems are optimized for pedestrians and vehicles. According to the Clue dataset, modern buildings aren't equipped to function without machines. Most programs in the city rely on machines' presence to function properly. Machines are vital to the life of buildings. In this city, machines are seen as another form of living organisms, another entities. Architecture is designed sampling machines' comfort and perception. How would a machine want to live in the city? How would a machine want the city to be built? A high-speed, high-bandwidth infrastructural network is constructed, providing transfer of data, supply of power, and cooling for the machines. Capsule modules are inserted at the key nodes of the network. Humans can be deployed in case of an emergency, reinforce the backup system, providing redundancy for the machines. Custom modules with embedded neural frames are the building blocks to form spaces to host programs like general compute and ASICs. The variety of the modules allows it to form machines' living spaces within the matrix of the network. Adjust its composition by referencing the data from its adjacent modules. Void spaces are generated because of glitches happening in the city. Human beings are nonlinear and constantly changing variables. The city tries to accommodate these variables by deploying void spaces, which are not singular in terms of the program. They could house multiple programs, such as automated manufacturing, storage, and more complex operation. The mechanism, which is designed with modularity in mind, enables each instance body to stop or resume its growth at any stage. The network, the modules, could always form an encapsulated system, a closed loop, where each module is connected. The city also implements unique identifier systems for the modules, record behaviors and history, store unique memories of the city, meaning each module can understand its surroundings, sharing data with any module within the network. Thus, the city could monitor itself, keeping it functioning 24/7. The architecture is assembled with these autonomous agents, which could behave in the scope of one module or the scope of a building, a block, a city. The convergence starts where data becomes essential materials for architecture. It is an architectural materialization of machine presence in the city. Not only the architecture is composed with these machine-like agents, the architecture itself starts to behave, function, and perform similar to a machine. It's a fundamental topological shift, altering the perception that architecture is only built for humans. Gone is the pursuit of efficiency and specialization in the industrial age. Redundancy, flexibility, adaptability, and temporality become the new standards. Here are some moments stored in the city memory. First test drive for the servers. 7 p.m. in an empty control room. Custom modules being assembled by robots.